With a history of providing quality sensors and accessories to the university engineering community, PCB and John Morris Group have expanded their commitment with 4 new laboratory programs based on education simplicity and budget-friendly sensor kits for acoustics, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, and physics. And if you're running classes on any of these areas, you're going to want to see this. Hi, my name is Andre and I'm from the John Morris Group. If you don't want to miss any of our weekly content, please subscribe to our channel and push that bell button you can see right now, and we'll notify you as soon as new content comes online. Today I have here the PCB Civil Engineering Kit. Now this consists of an impact hammer, 4 accelerometers, a seismic accelerometer, 2 force sensors, and 16 cable assemblies. Also included are 6 relevant and simple step-by-step experiments. These are structural analysis and sensitivity, bridge analysis, floor construction, dynamic properties of concrete, damage detection and structural health monitoring, and finally, tuned mass dampers. Civil engineers design, test and build the roads, bridges and buildings we travel on and work in every day. The objectives of most civil engineering curriculum is to provide a deep understanding of material properties and their capabilities and how they influence the construction of larger and better built structures. In this civil engineering program, you will find commonly used sensors and accessories and an instructor's guide for experiments like demonstrating the different modes of structures, measuring the characteristics of materials, and also dampening techniques. So this is the PCB engineering kit for university laboratory programs. You'll find a link to all the details and specifications about this product below, but if you've got any specific questions or comments about this or anything else from our catalogue, please leave it in the comment section and our team will get right back to you. Alternatively, visit our website and engage with our live chat during business hours for an immediate response. If you like the content we produce, please subscribe, comment, like it, and share it. It really will help us to produce more videos that are relevant to your area of study. And remember, John Morris is here to help you succeed with technology. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.